Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change wipers on your BMW 3 Series. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. We will begin by putting your wipers into service mode, which is essential for safe removal and installation. Then, I'll guide you through detaching the old blades and attaching the new ones, making sure they are properly secured for optimal performance. Let's get started. To begin, you need to put your BMW's wipers into service mode. First, turn on your vehicle's ignition, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the wiper stalk on your steering column. Push the wiper stalk up or down and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. The wiper arms will then move to an upright, vertical position, allowing you easy access to the blades. With the wiper arms in service mode, you can now remove the old blades. Gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let the arm snap back, as it could damage the glass. Locate the small release tab where the blade connects to the arm, press it, and then slide the old blade off the hook. Place a soft cloth or cardboard on your windshield for protection. Now it's time to install your new wiper blades. Carefully align the new blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition to exit service mode, and the wipers will return to their normal resting position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.